In this brief video, we're going to see how the Simplement Data Liberator platform can provide real-time SAP reporting. In this particular case, we're going to use sales orders. So here I have a real-time sales order report in Power BI, which is connected to a SSAS tabular model running in direct query mode, being fed by the Simplement Data Liberator platform. Let's very briefly take a minute to look at architecture to understand the real-time flow of data from SAP into Power BI. So I'm going to, in a moment, switch to SAP front end, modify a sales order that will be written to the database logs, which are replicated in real time to the Simplement Data Liberator platform, which is this green area. That Data Liberator is then feeding a direct query SSAS tabular model, which is then feeding the Power BI report we saw at the beginning. So in the report here, we notice I have the year chosen as 2002. So I'm going to come into SAP GUI, and I already have a sales order chosen ahead of time that is from the year 2002. So I'm going to go ahead and modify the quantity on one of those sales orders to create a change so that it'll go through that flow we just saw in the architecture. So for demonstration purposes, I'll make a very dramatic change, and I'll change this order quantity from 1,000, to million. So I just need to save and confirm this order change in SAP, and then we'll be able to see it in our Power BI report thanks to the real-time data flow. Okay, so this order has now been saved. So if I come back to Power BI, I just need to refresh. And this is just refreshing the connection to the direct query model. And here we can see all the values just changed to reflect that huge increase in quantity I just placed. There's no ETL delay, there's no reprocessing of the model, there's no batch process, anything. It was all real time. As soon as that order was saved in SAP, it went through the flow that we already looked at, and now it's available here in the sales order report for an end user. Thanks for watching this brief overview of real-time reporting using the Simplement Data Liberator platform.